Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. God bless you all and always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video I am providing you most amazing and most attractive designs of handmade crochet dresses. So please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end, because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and useful. I hope you all love these type of most attractive designs. So you will share this video with your family and lovely viewers, friends who want these type of most attractive designs of handmade crochet dresses. I really hope that they will love this beautiful collection. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors. In this video you will see different design, different colors and different decent and unique collection. Pick your favorite one and make yourself a more beautiful and amazing look. Thank you viewers for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's a most amazing collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet items. So if you all love these articles and if you want more designs and more ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel. Please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Viewer, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me friends and remember me in your precious prayers. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.